Hello and welcome to this section of the TI-89 tutor, and in this section we're going to learn how to solve equations with the TI-89. So it has some very cool built-in functions that are very powerful that are going to let you be able to solve equations, and this includes finding roots of polynomials and other things that you're using and doing all the time in algebra. All of this stuff can be done by hand, obviously, but having the power to do it in your calculator, make it very easy to type in the equations you want to solve for, can really save you a lot of time on your tests. So first, let's go and tell you where this function is. Now, if you're on the home screen of the calculator, there's a menu at the top all the time. And the F2 menu is the algebra menu, and over the course of the next several videos we will be exploring this menu in great detail. But for right now, really, I want to explore the very first one, solve. And that's basically the generic equation solver that comes with the TI-89. So when you hit solve, what you need to do inside of these parentheses is put in the equation that you want to solve for, and also the variable. You have to tell the TI what variable you would like to solve for. Okay, so just a very simple equation. Let's do 2 times x minus 5 is equal to, and you have to use this equal over here when you're inputting an equation. So equal to, let's do 7. So you close the parentheses. If you just hit enter here, it's not going to work. You need to tell the calculator with a comma and with the variable what variable you would like to solve for. When you're writing this out by hand, it's obvious you're solving for x, but you always have to tell the calculator what variable you're solving for. And when you hit enter, the calculator is going to process this. It's going to add 5 to both sides, and then it's going to divide by 2, and it's going to tell you right here x is equal to 6. Now this is just a single linear equation with just x to the power of 1, so there's only going to be one solution, and that's why this guy is going to return the one solution here, because there's only one solution of this equation. You can see 2 times 6 is 12, minus 5 would give you 7, so it does satisfy that. One thing I'm going to tell you right now, and this equation doesn't really apply, but before I forget about it, this solve command only returns the real solutions of the equation. I'm going to say that again because it's important. The solve command here in the algebra menu, the very first one here, solve, only returns the real solutions. If there are any complex solutions, this solver is not going to return them. There's a separate solver for that, and we're going to get to that a little bit later in this section. It's not a big deal, it's not hard, it's just you need to know that. Okay, so let's go back in here. What if let me go and clear this out just to give you a little practice with how you do it. Let me clear this guy off. Let's go back